You're right guys, in this video I'm going to be making a display stand ideal for craft shows and craft fairs, that kind of thing. This one's actually being made for the booth that we're going to have at Maker Faire UK this year. I'll talk about that some more at the end, so make sure you stick around. This project starts by making a model in Google SketchUp. I could then create a cut list from the model. The cut list is available with step-by-step instructions down below. With the side panel marked out on some 18mm plywood, I could cut it out on the bandsaw. I could then trace around the first side panel and cut out the second one in the same way. The other pieces are just cut to width at the table saw and then cut to length at the miter saw. I wanted a slight curve to the top display piece, so I tapped in some nails roughly 1 inch from the top on both sides. I also added one in the middle at the top. I could then bend some thin wood between the nails to give a curve. Marking with a pencil and cut on the bandsaw gives me the desired curve. To give a slight curve to the corners on the shelves, I traced around a small bearing I had. Clamping the shelves together and sanding to the marks on the belt sander gets them all even and equal. I decided to paint all the pieces white. It will make whatever is displayed stand out better that way. You can of course leave the natural plywood or paint it any colour you like. I'm leaving the plywood edge exposed, and with the paint dry, a round over bit in the router cleans up the edges nicely. I used a chamfer bit on the other pieces. I wanted to make a feature of the joinery on this one. The pieces just got screwed together. I need it to be collapsible for transport, so this is a nice simple method to do that. The top panel is a great place to add your logo. I'm adding a vinyl sticker to the top of this one for our booth at Maker Faire. I took the pieces apart and marked each joint to make reassembly easier. I've got this great beeswax that Claire from Making It Out of the Wood sent me. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. It's going to protect the exposed edges and also bring out the colour a lot more too. With it all put back together, this is the finished display stand. I hope you like it. So that's it then guys, nice and simple, I think you'll agree. I've made the joinery on this really stand out. You could have covered all the edges with the paint so you didn't see it, but this is going to be on the UK YouTube Makers booth at Maker Faire this year, and we're going to be having some craft events going on for the kids to get involved with, and I'm sure that the kids will be asking how the stand was made. So by having the joinery on show like that, it will be much easier for them to understand and easier for me to explain as well. So that's the thinking behind that one. But it's ideal that you can just take it apart with screws, pack it in a suitcase or a bag or whatever, and then put it up again at the event wherever you're displaying your work. Like I said, it's ideal for craft fairs as well. So if you want to display what you're selling, you can put them up on the shelves, add your logo to the top, and you're away selling. All the information to Maker Faire this year is linked down below. It's happening on the 28th and 29th of April 2018, and it's in Newcastle. So make sure you check out that link down below to the Maker Faire website for all the information, directions how to get there, information on where to stay and tickets and stuff like that. So if you can make it, we can't wait to see you there. We're going to have a bunch of crafts going on for the kids to get involved with and showcasing some UK YouTube as well with Matty. So thank you all for watching this one. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, leave a comment. I answer all comments as always, and make sure you share it around as well. Spread the word about Maker Faire, and hopefully people will find this video useful too. So don't forget, if you're not subscribed already, click the subscribe button and then click the little bell icon to get notifications. That way when I upload a new video, you'll get a pop-up on your phone or an email notification about it. Thank you all for watching again.